What's up, guys? It's Anthony Reviews here, back again with another video. Today we got the Vivitar cam recorder. This shoots up to 1080p and 4K. As you see, I already got a lens right here. This is a HD night vision lens with f equals 2.2 lens with a f equals 3.54 millimeter lens. Now, that does have a light. Pretty advanced. Right there. Now, it claims it can do a 16 times digital zoom, which it can because I tested it. Now, I don't know what this does. I'm trying to show y'all. I'll show y'all in a minute. I think that's the SD card holder for more storage. Now, if I know. No, this doesn't adjust. No, okay. So, I was wrong about that. That doesn't adjust that little gray thing. It doesn't. So, yeah. Take it to the side. We got a video stamp right there that takes videos, and this can also take photos. If you're a daily YouTuber or just to want to film your life or something, you know what I mean? You got that right there. Now, I like this camera. I like it a lot because I use it a lot. Okay. Take it to the other side. Hold on, that's not okay. Now, whoops. One thing I have to say about this, it has a battery compartment and it has an area that you can hold the camera, which I will demonstrate both for y'all today. So, I'm gonna lift it up just for y'all. No idea what that is. I'm trying to look. Okay. That looks like a screw. This button right here, if I can, okay. This button right here is where you open the battery compartment. So what I'm about to do is open it. There you go. It just opened. Pretty cool. Oh, I can't open it furthermore. Now, I would take the battery out, but that's a little too much work because I'm doing this with one hand. The battery is a 705536 battery with 3.7 watts or WH. It has a 3.7 V battery and 1000 milliamp hour battery with a 250A area code for the battery. You get a C and a Euro C, or that could be an E, whichever one you want to take it as. It says don't litter or don't throw it in the trash can because it will explode. There's a clear visual of it. Very, very clear visual. I like it. Okay. Now, if you look, I believe these are like pins. There's your minus. There's your whatever the hell that's called. And there's your plus button. I mean, that's your minus. That's whatever the hell you think that is. And that is your plus. Minus and plus. There you go. For where the battery goes. Well, alright. Set this down. Now, turn it back. There we go. We'll close it back up. So you should hear a click. A little click. There you go. Now this does have a place where you can hold it. So which I'm going to perform right now. I'm very careful with my products, so don't mind me. Okay. I got it. Okay. So, this is the way I hold it. So when you're filming, you can like film, you know, look cool. Okay, I can't do this with one hand now, so hold on. There we go. Now, you do get a screen, like most cameras do. Mostly for YouTube videos and stuff, pretty nice. You got the side. You got your flashlight button. You got your video play button. You got your power on button. You got your display button. You got your menu button. Then you got another button over here. So, and which this button does, I believe it opens. Yeah, it opens this area. I'm pretty sure y'all heard that. This has a SD card slot. Yeah. Basically, when you're done putting an SD card in, you click it in there. You're ready to go again. You're ready to film your next video for more memories and storage. And whatever the hell you use this for too. Anyways. Okay. That's basically what this does. The back. You got your light. So when this is off, it's gray. This is a gray light right now. Once on, it's blue. And sometimes it might be a different color. This button is your move button. I take that back, y'all. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about sometimes because I be fast talking and pacing, so that's my fault. This is going to be your mode button. This is going to be your record button for videos. This is going to be your USB slot, which I'm going to show y'all in a minute. This is going to be your up button, your left button, your right button, and your down button. And it's going to be your OK button. So, I'm going to open up the USB port for y'all so y'all can see inside of it. So y'all are curious and want to know what it looks like. Give me a minute. Okay. I think I'm ready to show it. Come on, I almost had it, man. Okay. I'm ready to show it. This is what it's going to look like. This is going to be your headphone jack port. This is going to be your USB-C port so you can charge it. And yeah, basically that's what it does. Close it back up if I can. It's pretty fragile, but you know how I do with it. Anyways, yeah, that was nothing. Anyways, there you go. Now I'm gonna show you the front of this. Now, this is going to be your taking a picture button. This is going to be your picture button and photo button. See that? That is the photo button. So you can take pictures with your family, your friends, whoever. Now these buttons, the W and the T button, I have no idea. No idea what that does. But this does move left and right. If I can catch that on video for y'all. Left and right. Pretty nice. Now y'all may be wondering, what the hell is that? Yeah, we're about to get to that. I believe this is an SD card slot. Doing this one for one hand, by the way. So, I believe this is an SD card slot. SD card slot. Okay. Y'all saw that. That's basically what's inside. It's metal, so I'm guessing this is an SD card slot for more storage and more space that you can put your things in for your SD cards. I believe you can fit up to 2 in there, which is pretty nice and reliable in my personal good opinion. Okay. By the way, I'm doing this with one hand, so don't mind me if I do mess up. I try to be as professional as I can, so y'all don't have to. I believe it goes this way. Yep, okay, yep, it clicked in. You should hear that little mini click. There we go. Now, you might be wondering, does this thing actually turn on? Yes, it does. Let's perform that right now. I'll hold it. Turn it. Okay, it's in. Damn. That was a little fucking harsh. Anyways, don't mind me, y'all. I have my little conversations. Hold on. See if I can catch that. Blue light. It's gonna be your Vivitar logo. This basically films real good. You guys just can't see it because I'm filming on another device right now, but that looks pretty cool. $1080p right now, by the way. Y'all just can't see it. Nice. I'm gonna try to turn this off. You hold down the power button. Vivitar out. There we go. Alright. Thanks for watching. This is the review of the Vivitar camcorder. Anthony Reviews out.